Hi everyone, my name is Hari Prasad Sharma. I run a broiler chicken farm here. Like many others, I received a government subsidized solar water pump system. That's excellent actually, but I discovered a big problem. My solar pump works only about 1 hour a day to fill my tanks. The rest of the day my solar panel keeps producing electricity, but because the pump is off, the power goes completely wasted. Instead of letting all that valuable energy go to waste, I installed a changeover switch and connected it to a solar. This way, whenever my solar pump is not running, the solar power can be diverted to my inverter and charge the batteries. You can see that all the changeover switches are set to the solar pump controller, but because the pump is not being used at the moment, I am going to divert the power to the inverter. As you can see, the solar system is on and the batteries are being charged at 4.7 ampere. Similarly, many people in my area have the same solar pump system, but they might not know this simple trick to avoid wasting power. That's why I'm making this video, to help others understand how to install a solar inverter system and make the most of their solar power. And if you would like to help setting it up, you can call me in the given number. I'm happy to help anyone in my area install a similar system. Here is what you will need for your setup: a solar inverter, a pair of batteries, a changeover switch, and a good quality wire. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like it, please hit that like button and share this video with others. And also you can consider subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.